Welcome to use Petrolhawk GSM Smart Touch Alarm System. This system is meant for house, office, your villas, shops, and so on. This system is with touch keypad. You can set all the alarm functions via the keypad. As well, this panel can be regarded as a mobile phone to make a direct phone calls. And in a standard kit, there is one alarm panel, one pair wireless door sensor, one PIR sensor, two remote controller, one power adapter, and one wireless panic button. This panic button can be used for the elderly and children. You can press it or pull it to make it alarm. And so now I will show you briefly how it works. First, insert a GSM SIM card. You need to make sure the SIM card is with enough balance. And then turn on the power switch. Once turn on it, we need to wait for about 30 seconds for the panel searching the GSM signal. Once we hear the DD2 beeps, then it means the panel is in normal working status. So you can see the GSM signal LED will flash every 2 seconds. And now I will set the numbers for receiving alarm SMS and receiving the alarm calls. First, insert
input password. Input command.
Input password, and then input the first SMS number. And then we can set the first calling number. Once set successfully, the first SMS number will receive a reply for confirmation what you set just now. And totally you can set 3 SMS numbers and 3 calling numbers. Okay, here we can see we have received the reply for the first SMS number and the first calling number. Once set the number OK, then we can arm the panel via the keypad. Press arm button. Once we press it, it will wait for about 30 seconds for the panel enter into normal arm status. At this time, you can work out your room so that you can lock your door. Once we hear DD2 beeps, the arm button will keep on. That means the panel is in arm status now. And then we can use the door sensor to make the panel alarm. If the door is opened, then it will alarm. When alarmed, it will send SMS and make a phone call to the numbers you set just now. You can see it is alarming. We can answer the call. Once we answer the call, we can hear a voice. This voice can be recorded by yourself. And then we can remote control the panel via the phone keypad. the settings about the alarm is almost like this. And also you can make the alarm panel to make phone calls. For example, I will use this panel to call my phone number. Just need to press the learning button and then input the number you want to call. Then OK for confirmation, and then it will call the number you just input. I have received the call from the panel. I can answer it. Once answer it, it also can realize the two-way communication. Hello? Can you hear me? Then it's okay. So the operation of the alarm panel is so easy. Can you operate it now? Thank you.